Hey, I'm Zach here at MarineMax Coco, and check out this boat. This is a 2026 Boston Whaler 220 Dauntless. This is a gorgeous boat. We've got it in the platinum hull color with the red decal and the white Mercury 250 on it. Thing's absolutely stunning. It's going to look great going across the water. Check out the inside real quick. Starting back here in the stern on this 220 Dauntless, you've got this huge casting platform back here. Plenty of room to cast, but also when you're ready to cruise, you got your back shotgun seats there that fold down out of the way when you're done using them. It is a whaler, so you've got a million rod holders. This is a fishing boat to its core. Got your gas tank there. Just because it is a fishing boat does not mean that they left out the speakers, though. You've got 6 JL audio speakers throughout the boat, including a little subwoofer. You on the leaning post, you got your bolster seats, super sturdy with the armrests that fold up and down. On your helm, you've got that Mercury 250, so you do have a digital throttle on your binnacle. You've got this massive Simrad display, Mercury vessel view, and your JL audio head unit, all your switches, and even some wireless charging up there. You've got a nice space on your hardtop to store your life jackets or anything you need up here, with a little light for that nighttime fishing. Moving up here, this is one of my favorite things about the Dauntlesses. You've got this massive sun pad above your coffin box, which is just a ton of storage. You know, whether you're a fisherman or a diver or anything, you've got plenty of space for your gear on this boat. And it's only a 22-foot boat, but that's a ton of storage. And then obviously you lay it back down, plenty of room to lounge. Up front, you've got your fish boxes with your cushions and anchor storage. You're pre-rigged for a trolling motor up front. More speakers, more rod holders. Just an absolutely sick boat. Right in here, you got your console with a porta potty. So you can do a little bit of everything on this boat. It's super versatile, looks really clean going out of the water, inshore, offshore, anything you need. You got to come check it out. This is available now here at MarineMax Coco, or feel free to give us a call at 321-636-3142. Thanks, guys.